I have applied in Amazon itself 2-3 times, but as usual, never heard back. Keeping AccuJob in mind, I was very assured the moment I applied for the job that it is not going to be like before. I was confident that I will get this opportunity straight and right, and I'm certain that I was not wrong because everything went smooth like a butter.
Salik, as you know, today you're here to talk about yourselves, the journey that you've gone through to get this offer. So that is purely what we would be talking about. You can share your genuine opinion, your honest review. Okay? So we would want to start with knowing you. So anybody could you introduce yourself, Salik, and the kind of struggles that you've gone through to get offers in your career journey?
Yeah, hi, Marita. My name is Salik Anwar Esimo, and I'm from Banaras, and currently I'm in Hyderabad and working in Impacts.
And talking about my struggle with in my career, so personally I feel like I strongly felt that I was being underutilized on my current job. It was like not a very challenging job, so that was the reason. And there was certain personal things as well that was affecting my career because I was my father is not doing well health wise and I'm away from home, so that was also a reason that was keeping me away from focusing entirely on my career. So there were certainly some personal and like professional reasons that I was facing.
So I want to understand, Salim, how did you come across AccuJob?
I have known AccuJob for quite a time now, and when I was searching through opportunities a few months back, then I came to know about AccuJob, and I explored a lot, heard a lot about them on the LinkedIn and on platforms like Quora. So I was really confident reading the reviews and all. So that's how I came across to AccuJob, and I joined the AccuJob has a group, a community on WhatsApp where they share opportunities. So I was a part of that community. So that's where I came to know about this job, and I applied.
So Salik, have you applied in MNCs like Amazon previously in the past?
Yeah, I have applied in not and let's forget about other MNCs. I have applied in Amazon itself 2-3 times, but as usual, never heard back. Keeping AccuJob in mind, I was very assured the moment I applied for the job that it is not going to be like before. I was confident that I will get this opportunity straight and right, and I'm certain that I was not wrong because everything went smooth like a butter.
So I think this is what I would want to understand better, Salik. You mentioned that you applied in Amazon itself 2-3 times and never heard from them. And then you applied in one via AccuJob and today have an offer as well. So can you tell us the difference in the journey that you've had while applying on your own and when being in process by AccuJob?
In the first place, there was no journey when I was applying alone. But there is certainly a good journey with AccuJob this time because be it the whole process, the timeline and the process and the guidance throughout the journey, everything has been amazing. The moment I applied this, very next day I got the assessment thing. I applied, did the assessment, then the second assessment from the AccuJob side, which is sort of filtration. And after doing that, I was assured, okay, this is all my efforts who are noticed and unheard. And then my profile was moved to Amazon, and there was a screening round, and then assessment, and then opt round, and then a final HR round. And throughout this journey, AccuJob, not AccuJob, and specifically you have been with me and helped in every way possible. So everything has been amazing from the very beginning to the end, and today I have an offer, and a very big thanks to you for that.
Okay, my pleasure, Salik. I would want to understand this, Salik, because when I connect with students, a lot of students says that it's impossible to get a job in Amazon. It is so difficult. It is so difficult to crack the assessments. I want to know on your end, how was it so easy like a butter for you to crack the assessments, to crack the interviews? What kind of guidance did you get from AccioJob that made it possible for you?
Like I have believed in myself always, but with the right guidance, it always becomes more easier. So I think whatever was needed to crack this job, I had already had in me. But the guidance, the kind of guidance I got from AccioJob, I got the guidance from you, that made it like really, really easy. Because at every step, it was like hand holding kind of. So it's like from the assessment round, how to prepare for assessment, what kind of questions I'm gonna get, and after that, what kind of questions will be coming in the OS round, what is the format of Amazon's OS round assessment, their leadership principles, and what kind of questions will come around them, those principles, and how to read between the lines and answer those questions. So all of these things, like what taught from AccioJob side from you, like in a manner that it made really easy to go through that process. So yeah.
Okay. And when you told your parents, when you told your friends that you've gotten an offer from Amazon, how did they react?
No one wants to stay away from home, right? I had to do something, so I got a job in Hyderabad, and as I told you already, my father is not doing well, so it was not a very good thing for me to stay away from so far from my family, from my father. So after, obviously, when I told about my mother that I have got a better job, and that too work from home, and I'm coming back to home, she was really happy, and my father and my siblings, in fact my whole family, they were really happy that I'm coming back home with better job. So they could have never asked for better.
Okay. And if I had to ask you, Salif, that there are so many people like you out there, right, who are finding for that right opportunity, but then they don't know where to go to, right? Or they are very skeptical about platforms like AccioJob, which could actually be the bridge for them. So if you had to give a word of advice to such audience, what would you want to tell to them?
As I told you, everything has got it in themselves to achieve what they want. But with the right amount of guidance in the right direction at the right time, that's very rare to get. So my advice to the audience would be that they should put their trust in AccioJob, because one thing about AccioJob that I can assure everyone listening to this, AccioJob people are honest with their job. The kind of the work that they are doing, they are honest with that. So I think AccioJob is the right place, and they are right people to put your trust into, and go for them. And you have already got to achieve it. Just give it your heart and trust in right people.
Awesome. I think those are really kind words, Salik. Really wish that it reaches the right audience. Now, Salik, if I had to ask you, give one word to AccioJob, how you would want to describe AccioJob in one single word, what would that word be for you?
That word for me will be, as I said, I'll derive that word from my previous answer, honest. AccioJob is honest in its effort, and all their people, whatever they are doing it with honesty.
Awesome. I think that's a great answer. Let me twist the question, okay, Salik? Because of course everyone is into emojis now. If you had to give an emoji to AccioJob, what would that emoji be?
That emoji, that I have very clear in my mind. That would be the emoji with heart eyes. I hope you get that emoji in your head.
Yes.
Yeah.
So emoji
with heart eyes. Yeah. You got that. Yeah.
What would be the reason?
Because I really like. As I said, I resonate with AccioJob, the people, and the way, the kind of guidance they give, and the intention that I felt from their ends. So that's the reason I am giving dedicating that emoji. That's how I would say I will explain AccioJob.
Awesome. Okay, Salik, I think thank you so much for taking the time, because I know that you've been very occupied. There's onboarding process, there's documentation process that has started for you. But any final word or suggestion or feedback that you would want to give us from your end?
Yeah, there is a feedback from my end. Like in this professional world, in corporate and all this field, people tend to lose their honesty and their innocence very easily, as they are affected by their surrounding. Just be as you are. That's my advice. You are already amazing.
Noted, Salik. Thank you so much. We'll ensure that we take this advice. And thank you once again, Salik, for being on this call, for sharing your genuine, honest opinion, honest feedback, honest journey that you've been through. Once again, be in touch. I wish you all the very best. Your first day at Amazon. So give your very best, okay?
Yeah, thank you very much.